Hey guys, it's Kourt and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour and cleaning up my room. So I'm going to be cleaning up my room and I'm going to start off with my closet and I'm going to work the way to the middle of my room, finish up some odds and ends, and then make my bed and then show you guys my room. So yeah, first I just have all these pictures, and that's my jewelry box, which goes up to my light switches. And I come over here, and I just have pictures and awards, and my vanity, which has my trash can, and then all my makeup is like organized. So like, yeah, this is like face stuff. This is like quality stuff that I have to put on. This is like beauty blenders and palettes, and this is This is brushes and lipsticks. I have expensive lipsticks and mini beauty blenders because those are the best. And they're the best for like under your eyes, makeup wipes. There's just some more makeup down there. And then over here I just have like ear clear stuff. This ear piercing bottle because I got my 3rd piercings. And I just have like face mask, deodorant, and I have hair ties and like this really cool stuff from Bath and Body Works. And yeah, and then I have this bin with stuffed animals, my heater, my desk which has phone cases, books, and like this computer that doesn't work, picture frames, my Polaroid, my colored pencils, some fragrances, and for this I have a desk organizer and this 10-foot long cord that is charging my brother's iPod right now. And then I have this Mophie case, and if you're wondering why I have this and like this piece of like tinfoil inside, that's because I'm selling my old Mophie online because I never used it, or when I would use it, it would die and stuff, so I just have that right there. Yeah, and then there's my bed, which is where I film all my YouTube videos. I stand right there, have lighting from here on me, and I just talk. Yeah, this is my bed. I just have like, it's actually, you guys have probably seen this before, that sheet is just that flipped over because it's like the perfect gray. And I was looking up comforters, they didn't have what I wanted. This pink blanket, slippers, and the face mask, sleeping mask. And over here, there's also like a pull-out drawer. Yeah. And then over here, I just have a pile of like all the old stuff in my room that didn't go with this room. And I just have this like black blanket with a ton of blankets in it, this bag, and then all my stuff for school. And then I just have that, and then my closet. I know this video wasn't the best quality, but I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys subscribe, and I hope you guys comment down below for more video suggestions. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Bye!